Hello everybody, this is your nutrition in 90 seconds. I am back. So today I'm just going to discuss what are some healthy options that you incorporate in your meal planning. If you're fixing food for your kids, your family, what are some things that you're doing to add small steps? Remember my motto is small steps equal big change. So what are some things that you're doing? It could be even small. Like for instance with me, my kids don't drink a lot of juices, so I'm always make sure they get water, even though that sounds small. But consuming a lot of juices, like fruit punches, can mess up the teeth. Also high in sugar, so that sounds small, but there's a major factor in obesity, even with obesity with kids. Also, what I do dark green leafy vegetables. Instead of doing lettuce, I do spinach. So if we have let's say I do fish a burger, turkey burger, chicken burger, something like that, I'm doing spinach instead of lettuce. So that sounds small, but it's a small step toward healthier options. And sometimes kids don't like, you may have to mix it in with pasta. So that's another thing that I do. Pasta, you can pretty much, it's inexpensive. You can mix whatever you want in there. So having vegetables, I may have noodles and peas and carrots and chicken or something in there. And it may sound like, oh, okay, it's simple. It's very simple, but it's ways you can get vegetables in your meals. But it don't have to be like so hard to eat healthy, but it's just getting those little small things in your meals. So drinking plenty of water, substituting for that for juices, adding dark green leafy vegetables to your meal plans. Also getting pasta, which is very inexpensive, and maybe making something, adding some vegetables in there, having a little chicken, so something like that. Do small steps equal big change. So if you're struggling with eating healthier or you're eating out almost every night of the week, just take a step back, do something small. Instead of doing ground beef, maybe do chicken. Instead of doing red meats, do chicken or something like that. So take those small steps. Those small steps are going to lead you to where you want to be. Because a lot of times we want to be here. I need to lose 15 pounds. I need to do this and that. But sometimes it may take you doing those small baby steps to get to that place. As long as you get there. So what are the things that you're doing for your family? What are some small steps that you're doing in your family that you're including in your meal planning or your everyday eating? Uh, okay, are you doing fast food every day? We're still doing fast food every day. Most time the kids like burgers or they getting chicken tenders. There's a recipe on my blog actually where I use Rice Krispies to make fried chicken. So I take the chicken and I coat it with Rice Krispies, put it in the oven, and it still has a crunch. That's a small step. It's not fried chicken, but it's still good and have a little crunch to it. So things like that you can incorporate in your everyday life. Very simple. So if you want to know more information about that, go to www.stepsforchange.net. STEPS, the number 4, CHANGE.net. And you can find some of those recipes that I have on there. But that's all for your nutrition in 90 seconds. I think I've been on here longer than 90 seconds. So I will see y'all next week.